Today's question is sixth root of 88 plus 240 over root 3 minus 1. We need to find value of this. Let's see step by step. First we will take this 240 over root 3 minus root 1. A denominator we have root 3 minus 1. So that's why let's do rationalize. A denominator we have a minus. So that's why I am doing with plus. Root 3 plus 1 over root 3 plus 1. 240 times root 3 plus 1. And denominator it is in the form of a minus b times a plus b. Isn't it? What is the formula? The formula is a square minus b square. So that means root 3 whole square minus 1 square. So root 3 whole square is nothing but only 3 minus 1 square, which gives 3 minus 1, that is 2. After cancelling with 2 and 240, then you will get 120. After expanding this bracket, then you will get 120 times root 3 plus 120. After doing the rationalize, we got this. Just write this. 120 root 3 plus 120. Here given sixth root. Suppose if we have a square root, so we can write in terms of exponential, that is x raised to the power of 1 over 2. Similarly, sixth root of x, we can write this as x raised to the power of 1 over 6. To find out the sixth root of any value is difficult. So that's why let's split into 6 in terms of 2 and 3. 2 times 3, which is nothing but 6. So instead of 6, I am going to write 2 times 3. We can write this as x raised to the power of 1 over 2 times 1 over 3. Now it is in the form of a raised to the power of m times n. Sometimes we can write this as a raised to the power of m whole raised to the power of n. Similarly, I am going to write this as x raised to the power of 1 over 2 whole raised to the power of 1 over 3. X raised to the power of 1 over 2 is nothing but root x whole raised to the power of 1 over 3. So, sixth root of x, we can write this as square root of x whole raised to the power of 1 over 3, isn't it? To get rid of this 1 over 3, we need to write this x in terms of a plus b whole cube. Then here we have a whole raised to the power of 1 over 3. Then we can easily cancel this cube and cube root. So then we left only square root of a plus b form. And it is easy to find square root of a plus b. So that's why I am going to try to convert this 88 plus 120 root 3 plus 120 in terms of a plus b whole raised to the power of 3. Let's see how to convert. So now our goal is to convert this 88 plus 120 root 3 plus 120 in terms of a plus b whole cube, isn't it? So what is the formula for this a plus b whole cube? The formula is a cube plus b cube plus 3a power 2b plus 3a b power 2, isn't it? This is the formula. So we need to convert in terms of this. Then we can easily write a plus b whole power 3. So first observe the number. What we have 88. And we know that 2 cube is 8. Let's take 3 cube. 3 cube is 27. And then 4 cube is 64. And then 5 cube is 125. So our number is 88. 88 is less than 125. So that's why we should not take this 5 cube. Convert this 88 in terms of 4 cube. So 88, if we convert in terms of 4 cube, which is 64. So remaining is plus 24. So 88 I am going to write in terms of 64 plus 24. 64 is nothing but 4 cube plus the remaining 24. And remaining what we have? We have 120 root 3 plus 120. Just write that. 120 root 3 plus 120. So now observe this 24 and 120. After adding these two, then you will get 144. So we convert 4 cube. That means we decided a as 4. Now we need to find b value. What we have? 144 plus 120 root 3. Let's take that. 144 plus 120 root 3. We decided a as 4. We need to find b value. And what we left? We found a cube. Still we need to find these 3 terms, which we have b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. So let's observe this 144. 144, we know that it is 12 times 12, which is 144. This 12 we can write it as 3 times 4, isn't it? And this 12 also we can write as 3 times 4. Now observe here we have 3 times. That means here we have a 3a power 2b and here we have 3ab square. So we have a 2 terms. One is 3a square b and another one 3ab square. We don't know which one is that one. So let's take first we write 3a square b form. So we have 3 and we decided a is 4. That means a square. Here we have a 4 times 4 which is a square. And here what we left only 3. So here 3. So this is in the form of 3a power 2 b. So according to this we can say b value is 3. But is it true or not? We don't know. We will check it later. And here we have it. Here we have a 3. Just write 3. And here we have a. We decided a as 4. Just write 4. So we are done with 3 and 4. Still we have 3 times 4. That is our b square. So 3 times 4 which is nothing but 12. So this 12 we can write in terms of b square, that is 2 root 3 whole square, which gives 12. See, 2 square, that is 4, and root 3 whole square, that is 3. So 4 times 3 is 12. So b square we can write as 2 root 3 whole square. So here our b value is 2 root 3. So we are getting two b values and we don't know which one is correct. Just simply find out which one is correct, then it is easy to find the value. So what we have given 88 plus 120 root 3 plus 120. Let's take that. So we are converting this in terms of a power 3 plus b power 3 plus 3a power 2b plus 3ab power 2. We know that a value is 4 and b value, let's take the first one. So b value is 3. Let's take this and check is this b is correct or not. Substitute here. So a value is 4 and 4 cube is nothing but 64 plus b value is 3. So 3 cube is 27 plus 3 times a square, the value is 4 square, that is 16, times b is 3 plus 3 times our a value is 4 and b value is 3 square, that is b value is 3 and b square is 9. So we are not getting root 3 value. So that's why our b is 3 is a wrong assumption. So that's why b is not 3. Now let's take b is 2 root 3. Is it correct or not? Our a value is 4. 4 cube is 64 plus b value is 2 root 3. So 2 root 3 whole cube, the value is 2 cube is nothing but 8 and root 3 whole cube we can write in terms. Here root 3 times root 3 which gives 3 only. So 8 times 3 which is 24 root 3. So root 3 whole cube, the value is 24 root 3. So let's write 24 root 3 plus what we have 3. Then a power 2 which is 4 power 2, that is 16, times b value is 2 root 3, that is 2 root 3. 3 times 16 is 48. 48 times 2 is 96. So 96 root 3. So 24 root 3 plus 96 root 3. After adding, then you'll get 120 root 3. Next, what we have 3. So let's take 3. Then a value is 4. Then b value is 2 root 3 whole power 2. 2 power 2 the value is 4 and root 3 power 2 the value is 3. So 3 times 4 times 4 times 3, which gives 3 times 4 is 12. 4 times 3 is 12. So 12 times 12 is 144. And this 88 we converted here in terms of 64 plus 24, isn't it? So we can write this 88 as 64 plus 24 and we have 120 root 3 plus 120. So here we have 64 and right hand side also we have 64. And left hand side 24 plus 120, after adding then you will get 144, isn't it? So let's write 144. Here 144 and right hand side 144. Left hand side 120 times 2 3 and right hand side 120 times 2 3. So all terms are same. That means our a value is 4 and b value is 2 root 3. This is the correct one. So that's why we should not take b as 3. So a value is 4, b value is 2 root 3 whole cube. We have 6th root. This 6th root, write it as square root of 4 plus 2 root 3 whole cube whole raised to the power of 1 over 3. Here 3 and here 3 gets cancelled. So we left only square root of 4 plus 2 root 3. So now this one we need to convert in terms of a plus b whole square. Then only we can easily get rid of this square root. So that's why I'm converting in terms of a plus b whole square form. What is the formula for a plus b whole square? The formula is a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here 2ab. Here we have 2 and here we have root 3. And if you write here root 1, so root 3 times root 1, which gives root 3 only. The term it won't change. So our a value is root 3 and b value is root 1. So here we have a square. So let's take root 3 whole square plus b is root 1. So that is whole square means root 1 whole square plus 2 times Our A is root 3 and our B is root 1. Here square and square root gets cancelled, we left only 3. Plus here square and square root gets cancelled, we left only 1. Plus 2 times root 3 times root 1, which gives only root 3. That is equal to 4 plus root 3. So that means our here A value is root 3. B value is root 1. So this one we can write as square root of A, that is root 3, plus B, that is root 1, whole square form. Here square and square root cancel, so we left only root 3 plus root 1. Root 1 is nothing but 1 only, so the answer is 1 plus root 3. Sixth root of 88 plus 240 over root 3 minus 1. The result is 1 plus root 3. I hope you like this content. If you like this content, please support to my channel. Thank you for watching.